Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a fruit. It is a tropical fruit known for its sweet and tangy flavor and its bright orange skin. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as loquat, 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 loquat. An interesting fact about loquats is that they have been cultivated for over 1,000 years and were originally grown in China. They are rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about loquats, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.